There are days when you feel like, you know what, I can do better than this, or my true potentials are still hidden, or I'm not the best version of myself. Well, I hear you. Stick with me till the end of the video and you're all ready to be the best, most powerful version of yourself. Hi all you beautiful souls, this is Rishvika and welcome to Minding Ways. In order to be the best version of yourself, the very first thing that you have to do is trust your own advice. You know, there are situations when we hear so many advices from so many people and they're all different. And we are confused like, whom should I listen to or what should I do? Which advice is the best? Well, the best advice is that you give to yourself. Your advice is the best advice. Your intuition, trust your intuition. No one can say any better than your intuition, than your own intuition. When you follow your own advice, at the end, whatever the results are, you are satisfied that okay, this is the result of my own decisions and no one else is responsible for this. And that is where you start taking responsibility of your actions or the situations or the problems or whatever that is going on in your life. You start taking stand for everything. And when you follow your own advice, you are more authentic, genuine. You are in integrity with yourself, and whatever you do with full confidence that okay, I'm doing this because I want to. This is my decision and no one else has influenced me to do this. Or I'm not manipulated by anyone. Which brings me to point number 2, that give your 100%, and that is only possible when you are authentic to yourself, you are following your own advice. You know, you are not the best version of yourself or the most powerful version of yourself when you are feeling insecure. And when do we feel insecure? When we know that, okay, I could have done better, or I haven't given my 100%, or I don't believe in the things that I'm doing, because sometimes we all do the things just for the sake of doing and we don't actually believe them. The next point is about affirmations. Now, before you say that, okay, we have tried that a lot, or it is lame, or no, it doesn't work, please press pause and then close your eyes and be honest to yourself. Have you really tried? Or even if you've tried, do you believe in these things, or do you believe in what you are saying to yourself, or are you believing in all those good things that you are saying to yourself? I guess no. If it is not working, then obviously you haven't given your 100% like I discussed before. That means in this case you are not believing in those affirmations. Affirmations are not just about writing good things about yourself and simply posting it on your fridge, mirror, everywhere. No. It is about writing those things but also believing in them. You know, sometimes we practice this thing of affirmations but we just write them down and then we forget. No, when you are writing them or you are saying it aloud to yourself, just believe in them. It will only work when you are believing in what you are saying to yourself. We don't hesitate when we compliment to some other person who we think is really awesome. Then why do you feel so guilty or shy in complimenting yourself? You have to believe in the things you are saying to yourself. That is when the affirmations will actually work. Don't simply write them, don't simply rattle them off. Just say them in a way that they really mean something to you. Those words are a truth about yourself. So if you're telling yourself that you are the most powerful version of yourself, you're the best version of yourself, or you're confident, you are bold, then believe in them. Because you know what? You are awesome, you are bold, you are strong, you are confident, you are the best. And now coming towards the last section of this video, like I said that I'll be discussing a sort of overlooked point when it comes to being the best version of yourself or being the most powerful version of yourself. It is about making mistakes, accepting them, and then forgiving yourself. You know, sometimes we have this misconception that being the best version of yourself or being the most powerful version of yourself means that you can't make any mistakes, or if you have, then you can't accept it or you can't admit it that no, I can't be wrong in any case, in any scenario. I can't be wrong, I'm always right. Being the best version of yourself or being the most powerful version of yourself doesn't mean that you are a robot. You are still a very beautiful creation of this universe, and the creation will have some flaws, and you are beautiful in that way. You are not any robot who will be perfect all the time. Even if you are the best version of yourself, even if you are the most powerful version of yourself, you can still have many flaws, many quirks, and you are beautiful with that. And accepting yourself and then forgiving yourself will make you even more powerful. So, accept your mistakes and then forgive yourself. That is when you are the most powerful, most beautiful, and the best version of yourself. So that was all for today's video. I hope I was of some help to you guys, and if you liked the video, then do share it with your friends and family, because who knows, it may really be beneficial for someone. And if you have any suggestions, then please do mention them in the comment section. I'll really appreciate that. If you're not already a part of our YouTube family, then all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.